Hello everybody, I'm so excited to bring you an unboxing video of what I won in the Silver Stag Stackers 100 sub giveaway. Ooh, alright, let's see. I somewhat knew of one thing, but this feels heavy. Oh, poker chips. And a sticker. Let's see. Oh, we're missing something. Let's see. Oh, there's more stuff. Oh, wow. Look at that. Boy, that's brilliant. Ooh, try to get it to light. Man, that's tough. That is 1 ounce of silver. Oh my goodness. That's a beautiful book. Well, that's a stag, actually. Let's see what else we got. We have the stickers. Oh, we got QR codes. Let's see. Yeah, that's a sticker. Ooh, that's a quality sticker. And I know stickers. That's tough. Yeah, I entered a giveaway at random because I was just saying hi to a guy. And boy, I got that. Let's get these out of the way. Move out the way. Is that a coin? Oh. Ooh. I don't know what that guy is. Oh, so sorry. Let's see. I am not a professional. Whoa. Hey, that's Sherlock Holmes. Yeah. Oh, my mom is absolutely going to love this. She is such a royalist. Man, that's tough. Oops, sorry for the glare. Put those right there. And I got a little note. Heck yeah. I'll put his channel down below in the description. Ah! I got a keychain. Heck yeah. Get out of the light. There we go. That's tough. Nothing on the back, but still. Wow. And I got some chips. Silver Stag Stacker. And the Stacker Social community. Shout out to all my brothers or sisters from across the pond. Put that there, those there. And that there. Oh my god, this is so neat. Thank you so much to everybody that was in the giveaway and for all the contributors. I'll put his link down in the description below. And you guys have a wonderful Stacker day. Bye.